Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharky's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and I just wanted to take a moment. I was walking around our back greenhouses here and I was thinking, why are we doing these how-to videos? And the simple answer is we want to come alongside of you and help you at home to have beautiful plants and flowers, to be able to grow like this behind me. And it's knowledge. We do this professionally, and we want to come alongside of you to partner up with you and help you learn those tips and tricks and the things that you need to know about how to grow beautiful plants and flowers. And it's fun when you can have a beautiful landscape and people ooh and ah. It's absolute enjoyment for us when we're sitting on our back porch or on our deck and people swing by into our parking lot and they jump out and they take pictures, or they're doing this, and they're pointing, they're rubbernecking at our display of flowers. That is a lot of fun, and that is the highest compliment that we can get. And we want you to have that too. I know there's people are watching all around the world and learning from us, and that is absolutely amazing that we have millions of people a year that are watching our videos and are getting something out of it, and that's fantastic. And so I was thinking about this, and how did we do that? How did we get there? And I was kind of reflecting back to, I was not the best student, okay, in high school and college. I was bored, and I was flunking my high school biology class, and the stuff like how to grow plants and flowers, I was flunking that. And my mom and dad wisely pulled me out of that class because, I'll just say, I'll call him Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith was teaching here, and here's Scotty down here. He's just not paying attention. Oh, look, something shiny over there. Oh, yes. Oh, I have the attention span of a 3-year-old. And I wasn't getting it. And they wisely pulled me out of that higher class, and they put me into, a little slower, and it was something where Scotty can pay attention and handle it. But I was thinking, here I am, all these years later, and I'm growing 500,000 flowers in my greenhouses. And, if I switched jobs with my instructor, at that time, my teacher, I could put him into my greenhouses with 500,000 plants, and he knows how to grow flowers from a textbook. He knows how the biology and photosynthesis works and all those things. But if I put him in this greenhouse, there'd be 500,000 dead flowers in a week. I guarantee it, right? So what's the difference? Well, somewhere along the point, I decided to buckle up and learn what it takes to grow 500,000 flowers, and learn those tips and tricks and techniques and apply them. And we've used that over all these decades, over the years, and have come up with what works and what works for our customers. And we see the same questions. We see, the same problems that people come in with. So we've put together the things that work for our customers, and that's what we're doing, expanding with our how-to videos. So we're partnering with you. We're coming alongside of you and teaching you, and we hope that you are enjoying it. We're encouraged by people saying, you know what, I use these principles and I had a beautiful yard of flowers, and my neighbors were just absolutely amazed with, my landscaping. That's awesome. That's what we want to hear. So if you're enjoying our videos, it's an encouragement to us when you give us a thumbs up and you follow us and you watch other videos. We've got hundreds of videos, on our Facebook and on YouTube. And when you go there and you share with your friends our videos, that's awesome. That's encouraging to us. We're not charging a subscription fee. It's not something that we charge, but we're partnering with you. We're coming alongside of you, and it's such an encouragement to us when you give us a thumbs up, when you share it with your friends and your family, and you tell them about this, and you comment, in the section below. I'd love to hear where you're watching from. It's really amazing to see that people all over the world are watching our videos and getting something out of them. So be sure to comment, be sure to like, be sure to follow us and subscribe on our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching our videos. It is such an encouraging to us when we hear from you and when we see those likes, and we hope that you're getting something out of it. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.